So Monday morning is 6:45. We've got the Taycan to finish off. That's going tomorrow. There's a few bits left on that to do. We have the Amarok and the Sangyong with us this week. Sangyong should be going out either Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on how we get on with that. So yeah, busy start to the week. Wednesday I'm off to BMW Mini Solihull to pick up a JCW for a new customer, and that's getting track pack or front end paint protection film as well as ceramic coatings. So yeah, busy week, so let's go with it. So just in the process of fitting the film, and I think you can see that there is a hair in the paint. So I've peeled the film back, risking the contamination, and it's actually in the paint. So there we go. So it's Wednesday and it's another early start. It is currently 8:20. We've been here since 8 o'clock. The Taycan is now finished. So that's now wearing full car coverage of X-Box Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We have finished off the Sangyong. I don't know if you can see that. That's getting collected today. That's had the Wax is Dead Ultimate Ceramic Coating package, which includes the wheels to be taken off, cleaned, coated. The bodywork has been machine polished. Again, ceramic coated with the 10-year coating, glasses coated, interiors coated. So that's now ready to go. I'm going to pick up a Mini Cooper JCW today from BMW Mini in Solihull, and then tomorrow I'm off to BMW Nottingham to pick up a BMW M340 in a fantastic purple. This is like a violet purple colour. We just did a M240 of this, which I'll flash up now for you to have a quick look at, and that's in for front end paint protection film, and again the Wax is Dead Ultimate Ceramic Coating. So busy week, just a few little things left to trim up and get sorted on the Taycan, and then yeah, I'll take you on the road with me. So that's the Mini Cooper JCW now picked up from Mini in Solihull. So let's get back on the road and get back to the studio. So that's this Taycan 4S now finished in X-Box Ultimate Plus paint protection film. As you can see, it's looking incredible. For this, we removed the rear lights so that we could get full access when installing the paint protection film. And I've also just got back with the trailer, and we have the Mini Cooper John Cooper Works in there, which is in for front end paint protection film and ceramic coatings, but we'll be getting on to that tomorrow. And this Sangyong is going out today. This has had the Wax is Dead Ultimate protection package with a 10-year coating. That's the end of Friday. We've got the Mini Cooper JCW in, we've got the Amarok, and inside the trailer we have the BMW M340 in for front end paint protection film and ceramic coatings. So it's going to be a busy weekend getting these ready to go next week. So this week I've not done so great at video and anything. It's now Saturday. We are in the studio because we have this Mini Cooper it's a Mini Cooper JCW, which is in for the front end PPF coatings. Front end's done, coating's been done on Monday. We also have a BMW 340, which I'll show you a clip of now. That's getting the PPF done tomorrow, so that'll be ready for Tuesday as well. And yeah, so full weekend for me. I'll be back in tomorrow, and yeah, so I've just got to go see my mum, then I'm going to the gym, and then I'll be back to do it all again tomorrow. Just quickly before I go, thought I'd just show you the JCW. So this is now fully protected on the front end. So next, all we've got to do is polish it, coat it with Wax is Dead Ultimate Ceramic Coating, and get the glass coated. The wheels have already been coated, calipers have been coated. Kieran did that on Friday, and yeah, nice little car. We had one of these in before, and it is actually through the recommendation of that customer that this is with us at the minute. So a massive thank you to James. You may have seen exactly the same specification as this on our Instagram before. It's always nice to know when customers are referring us. So yeah, thank you very much. So I'm just pulling the trailer inside. Still got the Amarok that goes on Monday. This has had a dechrome, so all of these sections, the side steps, the bits around the windows, and these. And the customer did ask us to get these off because there's 2 bolts here, 2 bolts at the front, but unfortunately the front ones are behind the skin of the bed, so that's a bit past our technical knowledge. So I'm just wandering around aimlessly looking for WD-40, but oh well. So yeah, that's looking much better. Never a fan of chrome, but yeah, let's get this in and go to the gym.